Sorry, Peter Parker, but I'll explain what I was doing in a second here. This is the 55-inch outdoor TV, the 2023 Deck Pro series by Sylvox. They sent me over this TV because I was wanting to have a TV for the patio, and I also wanted it for the hot tub, and I've got a little problem, which I'll show you here in a second. But when I unboxed this thing, I was immediately impressed with how well this thing is made. Now, it is an outdoor rated TV, and I've seen outdoor rated TVs before, but this is an Ip55 Waterproof that handles all weather TV. So it is a 4K TV that is 99% dust proof, and right out of the box I could see right away how well this thing was sealed up and how strong it was to withstand the outdoors, because it is full metal and it can withstand temperatures up to 122 degrees. And I plan to mount it right up here, and I've got a couple of challenges in the way, which I was able to figure out with the help of a special TV mount that can rotate 180 degrees. I'll link this TV mount in the description of the video along with this very TV. This is the Vivo electric flip down swiveling ceiling TV mount. That's a mouthful for a name. But Amazon titles have gotten really keyword rich. Have you guys noticed that? Just a side note there. But this TV mount is going to serve two purposes. One, it's going to allow me to retract the Sylvox TV up and out of the way so it's not interfering any views, or I'm running smack into it in the middle of the night or something where I'm going to be locating it. But it also allows me to swivel it 180 degrees for the hot tub and the patio. The mount itself went together very easily, and then I put it on the back of the Sylvox TV. That was a perfect fit and a match for the back of this TV. I made sure that I was going to have enough clearance with the ceiling, so be sure you check your spacing. And then I had to reinforce my patio here and get a flat level surface as my patio is pitched. This TV mount is normally designed just to go inside the house on a flat ceiling, but I was working with a little different circumstance here. But I made sure that this thing was nice and secure on there, and then just lifted it up into place. The TV itself is 50 pounds in weight, and for me it wasn't that big of a deal to lift it up, as there's a nice single screw that holds this in place while you can get the other 4 screws nice and secure on the back. But I felt it was super sturdy, and it held the 55-inch Sylvox TV just fine. And here's the first time testing it, retracting it up to the ceiling. It just uses a nice little fabric cable system to pull it up and down. And then I was making sure that it was going to clear all of the ceiling beams as the TV came around, including that post there. But it worked perfectly. This mount was perfect for this TV. The TV was perfect for the mount. So I was really happy when my plan that was inside of my head came together so nicely and everything just worked. The power connection and all auxiliary ports are located behind this panel that is very well secured down by a lot of little screws, so just be careful when removing those, keep them in a safe place. But once they're all removed, then you can remove this back plate that's weather sealed, and you will be able to see all of the connections. There's 3 HDMI ports, there's USB ports, and there's an ARC2 port. I also got the Sylvox S2 Bluetooth 2.0 waterproof soundbar that they sell that is a perfect match for this TV, and they do include mounts so that you can mount it to the bottom of the TV, which was ideal situation. I did a little cable management, and then I put this back plate on, which is weather sealed, to get that IP55 rating. So just make sure you get all those screws tightened back in after you put the cables in. Everything was well labeled, and I started it up for the first time, got the remote all paired up. It has Google built all in. It runs on Android 11 and supports downloading apps to the TV, built-in Chromecast, and Wi-Fi enabled, and very feature rich. You can really adjust the color tones and everything on this TV.
But one of the most important things over the years has been not camera.
There's actually a car over here bumping their music very loud.
That was all sound coming directly out of the soundbar, hard to translate on a video, but I love how smooth this TV rotates from the patio and then the hot tub. So from the hot tub side, nice 55-inch TV. When we're in there having a nice soak and a drink, we can watch our shows, whatever that is, Netflix, Apple TV I also hooked up, and that 4K resolution is very impressive. This TV boasts 1,000 nits brighter than a traditional TV. So in broad daylight, it is super bright. At night, when we're in the hot tub now, super bright, plenty to see. The TV That's me getting the exposure actually right. That's about how it represents at night when we're watching our Apple TV shows or Netflix shows, which we could watch natively through the TV OS or the Apple TV that I have hooked up. Then we could rotate it over to the patio, and then when I want to watch my show, we're going to bring it back over to the hot tub. This specific Deck Pro series model is rated for partial sun, so having it under this patio works well. The hot tub does give a little bit of glare off the TV during the bright sun time, but it's totally viewable still, and Penny certainly doesn't care. So I would highly recommend the Sylvox 55-inch outdoor TV. Put a link to this very TV down in the description so you can check it out. But they have a lot of different models, a lot of different sizes available, and they're very well rated. So this was definitely the brand of TV that I wanted to have on the back porch, especially in this unique situation where I'm having it retract all the way up to the ceiling when not in use, and then having it come back down. And that mount actually I can control from the mobile app, so that I don't even have to grab a remote, and I can also control the Apple TV from my phone as well as the rest of the TV. They do include a nice remote, but it is not waterproof, so you don't want to be dunking that in the hot tub or the pool or anything like that. So overall, just very impressed with the Sylvox quality, the weatherproofing of it, and that full metal shell anti-corrosion design is something I think is really going to last a long time, no matter how much sun exposure this gets, because we are in Tucson, Arizona. So I'm just super excited that we can pull up our Netflix, watch our shows when we're out just hanging out on the patio or in the hot tub, or just have the game on during get-togethers or parties. But with something so electronic and so fancy, I had to put this thing to the test. I had to test, is it really waterproof? And a little bit was not a problem. But then there was a fire on the TV, literal fire. So what do? You put it out with water. And no matter how many times I get this thing wet, it works perfectly. So huge man shed approved on the Sylvox 55-inch outdoor TV.